Achieving Inbox Zero. It's not making sure your inbox is empty. It's just a way to get super organized. The average person receives emails daily, and those emails can build up. If you don't have a system to help zero out this constant influx of email messages, it can lead to a feeling of being perpetually behind. The consequences are significant. Decreased productivity, increased stress, feeling unorganized, and a daily sense of diminished control. If you want to learn this system to get your emails under control, then you're in the right place. Reclaiming control requires a systematic approach to managing this digital onslaught. All you have to do is just apply some of the things in this video. You'll be more than equipped to better handle your emails more efficiently. Now, let's get to it. Inbox Zero. It's a way of approaching email management that empowers you to regain control of your digital life. The goal is to transform your inbox from a chaotic dumping ground into a streamlined system for managing information and taking action. The core principle of Inbox Zero is to treat your inbox as a temporary holding place, not a permanent storage facility. Emails should be processed and moved out of your inbox as quickly as possible. This means making decisions about each email as it arrives. Do I need to take action on this? Can I delegate it to someone else? Should I defer it for later, or can I simply delete it? By making conscious decisions about each email and taking appropriate action, you can reclaim control of your inbox and your time. By incorporating the principles of Inbox Zero into your daily routine, you can transform your relationship with email from one of stress and overwhelm to one of empowerment and control. Subscribe for more videos where we focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve your life. Plus, we showcase whatever is cool, useful, and unique. The 4 Ds. Decide, delegate, defer, and do are the heart of Inbox Zero concept. Decide, delegate, defer, and do. This sort of framework provides a clear approach to processing each email. Decide what to do with each email. Does it need immediate attention? Can it be delegated, scheduled for later, or deleted or archived? Do involves taking immediate action on quick tasks. Address quick tasks promptly to maintain momentum. Organizing your inbox is a crucial step in achieving Inbox Zero. A well-organized inbox allows you to quickly locate important emails, prioritize tasks, and maintain a sense of control over your digital communication. Folders are a traditional method for organizing emails. Create folders for different projects, clients, or topics, and move emails into the appropriate folder once they've been processed. Labels offered by email providers like Gmail provide a more flexible way to categorize emails. You can apply multiple labels to a single email. This allows you to categorize it in various ways. Filters are another powerful tool for organizing your inbox. Filters automatically sort incoming emails based on specific criteria, such as the sender, subject, or keywords. You can create filters that automatically move emails to specific folders or apply labels, saving you time and effort. The best approach to organizing your inbox often involves a combination of these methods. Experiment with different approaches to find the system that best suits your needs and workflow. The goal is to create a system that is both efficient and easy to maintain. Archiving is a crucial component of Inbox Zero. It allows you to remove emails from your inbox without deleting them, keeping your inbox clear while preserving important information. Archiving is like moving files from your desk into a filing cabinet. They're still accessible when you need them, but they're not cluttering your workspace. Most email providers offer an archive feature. Archived emails are typically moved to a separate folder or label where they can be easily retrieved later. Knowing how to properly search is a key component managing your email seamlessly. Most email providers offer robust search functionality, allowing you to search for emails based on keywords, sender, recipient, date, and other criteria. Mastering the art of searching is essential for effectively managing your archived emails. Use specific keywords and filters to narrow down your search results by date, sender, or other criteria. By combining effective archiving and searching strategies, you can maintain a clean inbox while ensuring that important information is always readily accessible. The 2-minute rule. one of the most effective strategies for processing emails quickly. This simple rule states that if an email can be dealt with in 2 minutes or less, do it. Do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. By addressing these quick wins promptly, you maintain a sense of momentum and prevent your inbox from becoming a source of lingering to-dos. The 2-minute rule is particularly effective for tasks such as replying to simple inquiries, forwarding information, or confirming appointments. By handling these quick tasks immediately, you clear them from your inbox and prevent them from cluttering your mental space. This allows you to focus on more things that require your attention. The benefits of the 2-minute rule extend beyond simply clearing your inbox. Delegation is a crucial skill for effective email management and overall productivity. If an email requires action but is not something you need to handle yourself, delegating it to the appropriate person can free up your time and empower others to take ownership of their tasks. Effective delegation involves clearly communicating the task, the desired outcome, and the desired deadline. Clear communication is essential for successful delegation, minimizing the risk of misunderstandings and ensuring that tasks are completed effectively. Effective delegation combined with appropriate follow-up can significantly improve team efficiency and individual productivity. Deferring emails is a valuable strategy for managing tasks that require action but are not urgent. If an email requires more than 2 minutes to process but doesn't need to be addressed immediately, defer it to a specific time or date. This allows you to prioritize your immediate tasks and prevents you from getting bogged down in less important matters. Most email clients offer features that allow you to snooze or schedule emails for later. This essentially removes the email from your inbox and reschedules it to reappear at a specified time. When deferring an email, choose a specific time and date to address it. By scheduling a specific time for action, you ensure that the task will be addressed in a timely manner. By strategically deferring non-urgent emails, you can maintain a clear inbox and focus your energy on the tasks that require your immediate attention. Writing effective emails is crucial for efficient communication and minimizing back-and-forth exchanges. Clear, concise, and well-structured emails are more likely to be understood and acted upon promptly. Start with a clear subject line that accurately reflects the content of the email. This allows recipients to quickly understand the purpose of the email and prioritize accordingly. Keep your emails concise and to the point. Get straight to the main message without unnecessary preamble or jargon. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to break up large blocks of text and make the information easier to digest. Clearly state the desired outcome or action required from the recipient. If you need a response by a certain date, clearly state the deadline. By crafting clear and concise emails, you can streamline communication and minimize the risk of misunderstandings. Managing email notifications and setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining focus and preventing email from dominating your workday. Constant notifications can be a major source of distraction, interrupting your flow and hindering your ability to concentrate on deep work. Disable or customize email notifications to minimize distractions. Consider turning off real-time notifications and checking your email at specific intervals throughout the day. Set clear expectations with colleagues and clients regarding your email response time. Let them know when they can expect a response and provide alternative methods of contact for urgent matters. Establish dedicated times for checking and processing emails. Communicate your email boundaries clearly and consistently. By setting clear expectations and managing your notifications effectively, you can create a more productive and less stressful work environment. Achieving Inbox Zero is about achieving a state of control and clarity in your digital life. It's about transforming your inbox from a source of stress and overwhelm into a tool that supports your productivity and goals. It can lead to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a greater sense of control over your work. With Inbox Zero, you free up mental space and energy to focus on the tasks that truly matter.